Hello student. So we already discussed about the reflection of light and about the mirrors, about the spherical mirror, about their important parts of a mirror like that pole, principal axis, focus. Then also we discussed about the image formation. Okay, now we are going to discuss a completely new topic, which is refraction of light. Yes, earlier we discussed about the reflection and now we are going to discuss about the refraction. So what is refraction? You know about the reflection. Okay, now we are going to learn about the refraction. So refraction is what? When ray of light is coming, it slightly changes path. Okay, without changing its direction. That means whatever direction it is coming, it will go in that direction. So this is called reflection of light. See, suppose there is a ray of light is coming. Ray of light is coming. So what happens? Sometimes it slightly changes path, again go like that. See, if our direction is also like that, now also direction is like that. So here duita case of direction to change one, just path to little bit changes. So this is called refraction of light. Okay, so to understand that, I am going to give you a common example. Okay, first you have to take what? Take a glass of water. Take a glass of water. Suppose আমি ইয়াৰ লাগে পানীৰে fill up কৰি থৈ দিছো. Okay, so when we put inside a spoon, মানে আমি এখন যে চামুচ লৈ আমি যে ভৰাই দিও, then চামুচটো আমাৰ এনেকৈ দি দিব, then this is slightly breaking like that. Here water surface level and there it is slightly bending like that. আমি দেখা পাম যে চামুচখন আধাতে এনেকৈ ভাঙি যোৱা নিচিনাকৈ থাকিব। এইটো তোমালোকে এক্সপেৰিমেণ্টটো ঘৰত কৰি চাব পাৰা, একদম সিম্পল এক্সপেৰিমেণ্ট, কোনো ৰিস্ক নাই ইয়াত। সো সিম্পলি চামুচখন লৈ পেলাই তুমি যদি ইয়াত হাফ গ্লাছ অফ ৱাটাৰ বটল, বাট দ্য গ্লাছ শুড বি ট্ৰান্সপাৰেণ্ট। অ'কে, আমি ষ্টিলৰ গ্লাছ লৈ পেলাই কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ, বিকজ ষ্টিলৰ গ্লাছত আমি ইফাৰ সিফাৰ দেখা নাপাম। চ' ট্ৰান্সপাৰেণ্ট গ্লাছ এটা লৈ আমি যদি পানী হাফ লৈ পেলাই আমি চামুচটো ভৰাই দেখিম যে চামুচৰ যে জইনিং হৈছে, ডেট মিনছ ৱেৰ দ্য দিছ ইজ দ্য ৱাটাৰ and ইয়াত একো নাই, ইয়াত একো নাই means what? There is the air. So যোতে তোমাৰ মিডিয়াম দুটা চেঞ্জ হৈছে, ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৱাটাৰ মিডিয়াম এণ্ড দেন এয়াৰ মিডিয়াম, সেই সাৰফেচতে দেখিবা যে চামুচটো অকণমান স্লাইটলি বেণ্ড হৈ গৈছে। ডেট মিনছ what? চামুচটো বেণ্ড হোৱা নাই, বাট দ্য ৰে অফ লাইট, ইয়াত যিখিনি লাইটৰ ৰে আহি পেলাই পৰিছিল, সিহঁত আহোঁতে এইখিনি ডিউ টু দ্য চেঞ্জ অফ দ্য মিডিয়াম, চ' ইয়াত কি দেখাই দিলে? ৰিফ্ৰেকশ্যন দেখাই দিলে। ডেট মিনছ স্লাইটলি চেঞ্জ কৰিলে। So that means what? Refraction is related with the medium. Okay, if we changing the medium, then there will be the refraction. So medium all over refraction kya dekha path to kya change kore bujibo kana soa. We know, suppose a ray of light is coming. Suppose I am taking a glass slab. Say I am taking a glass slab. Jita ray of light ahi asile, okay, as like the reflection, this is the incident ray, this is the normal, okay, and this is the air medium, and this is glass medium. So obviously we know which medium have the more density. The glass medium have more density as compared to air medium. That's why air medium is considered as a rare medium. This will be considered as a rare medium. Why? Because it is having very less density, and the glass is considered as a denser medium as it have more density. So when ray of light enters to it, okay, suppose at the point O, incident angle, this is the incident angle. Now already koisu that here the medium is changes from air medium to the light enters to glass medium, so it will change the path. That is okomani path to change koribo. That means it will, there are two conditions arise, either it will go away from the normal or maybe it will come near to the normal. Mane e normal edam normalor ki koribo pare, hoyto e normal dalor usor thakibo, nohole e normal dalor pa durot gusi jabo. Okay, so for that, as light is coming from rare medium, that is light medium to the denser medium, so the ray of light will bend towards the normal. Mane normalor
ওচৰলৈ গুচি আহিব কাৰণ ই ৰেয়াৰ মিডিয়াম মানে পাতল মিডিয়াম এটাৰ পৰা ডাঠ মিডিয়াম এটালৈ আহি আছে সো ই নৰ্মেলৰ ওচৰলৈ আহি যাব okay then again in this point again this is another normal say this is o dash point okay again in this point again this is another normal say this is the n and this is n dash so for this again this is the incident angle for this surface this is the incident angle or this is the incident ray then now the air after glass again there is a air মানে গ্লাস খনৰ পিছত আকৌ এয়াৰে থাকিব কাৰণ আমিতো ইমান ডাঙৰ এখন গ্লাস ল'ব নোৱাৰো যে গুটেখিনি কভাৰ কৰিম সো আমি এটা some amount of size of the glass লৈ লৈছো so again the light going from now denser medium to air that means density jar কম আছে তালে গৈ আছে density jar বেছি আছে তাৰ পৰা that means now the light will go away from the normal so এতিয়া ই কি কৰিব নরমালৰ পৰা away হৈ পেলাই গুচি যাব okay so these angles are called refracted angle where another earlier we got reflected angle now we are getting refracted angle these angles are called what refracted angle okay so this is the phenomena how the light travels during the change of medium so our sunlight to ahi pela jetia amar earth ahi porehi tetia lage ki hoy thake earth khon ami jano je earth density to earth temperature to ground logot temperature jiman hobo tatke olop upore gole temperature to olop less hoy so temperature less means what ইয়াৰ ডেনসিটি ওপৰত ইফেক্ট কৰিব মানে ইয়াৰ ডেনসিটি যদি ইয়াৰ এয়াৰ ডেনসিটি যিমান হ'ব ওপৰত এয়াৰ ডেনসিটি আৰু কম হ'ব মানে পাতল হ'ব সো they though there the air is there only but they will behave like a different medium why because due to this temperature their density near the earth the density of air near the earth is different as compared to the density of the earth in the top layer of the earth okay so that's why it will behave like a another medium okay so eneke ahile light to ki hoy protibare ihote eneke reflection moi ebar dekhaisu just eneke various millions of time ihote reflection hoy ahi pela ama earth ahi pela pore okay so a reflection to because janibo hole yar logor related kisom phenomena ase there are some phenomena which are related with the reflection of light okay and depending upon these phenomena scientists has developed many apparatus like the spec that we are wearing the spec there is a lenses are there okay so their lenses using this reflection property okay so we'll discuss about that but before that there are two laws of the refraction first law is the same as the incident ray and the normal and the point of incident okay and the refracted incident ray refracted and the normal and the point of incident that is just like the reflection law first law is same just here refracted ray will come not reflected and second law is what that sine of angle of incident that is sine I we know about this trigonometry so sine I that is incident angular to value of tar sine value to and refracted angular value sine r2 for the same medium mane for the same particular medium mane for the same medium mane different hole no hobo medium to for the same medium their value always remain constant so ami ei medium to jotei nohok kyo glass medium jodi ami yat loise ekekhon glass e then ei glass kon moi measure koru ba tumi measure koro ba belek kunuba hi measure koro to hihotor sine or incident angular sine value to aru refracted angular sine value to jita ratio uliam tar value ami khore constant pam jodi ami 2 pai asu so 2 e pai thakim sobote etiao hi belek hobo noribo for that particular glass okay that is for the same medium okay then we have refractive index okay refractive index so refractive index is what it is the ratio of speed of light in two different medium okay it is the ratio of speed of light in two different medium suppose there is a air medium there is glass medium or there is suppose air medium or there is water medium okay so light will travel in air medium with a certain speed and again light will travel in glass medium with another speed so there are difference of speed so when you are going to find their ratio when you are going to find the ratio of their speed then you will get the refractive index which is denoted by n Okay, now we are going to use the refractive index in terms of speed of light in air. Okay, to solve the all problem, generally we are using this in terms of speed of light in air or vacuum. Vacuum means where no air is there, and air means what? There is only air particles will be there. Okay, so see here, refractive index, suppose n. This is denoted by speed of light in air divided by speed of light in the medium. So a medium to jikuno hobo pare, air hobo pare, air dia is already, glass hobo pare, water hobo pare, plastic hobo pare, jikuno medium hobo pare. Okay, or you can write n equal to c by v. Here c is the constant. Always remember the speed of light in air, c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It will value. Okay, and v value will be given, and then we can find the n value. Or maybe in some question n value and c value will be given, we can find the v value. Okay, so this much for today. Okay, so refractive index we got. One more thing we need to discuss about that. Then always remember optical density. Okay, optical density. So optical density is what? This is the ability of medium to reflect light, also expressed in terms of optical density. So how many amount of light it can refract by a medium, this is considered as a optical density. And this optical density directly related with the refractive index. This is directly related with the refractive index. So jodi hai kunubata medium or optical density besi, then the refractive index is besi. Aru ta rakhiba, the refractive index indirectly proportional with the speed of light. That means if the speed of light is more, then the refractive index will be less. And if the refractive index will be less, optical density will be also less. And if the speed of light is more less, then the refractive index will be more, and the optical density also more. Okay. So depending upon this, we may give some question. Okay. Suppose we have given the suppose we are asked to find refractive index of suppose diamond is given 2.42 and the refractive index of air is given 1.0003. So amakobo, in which medium the light will travel faster, then we have to use this concept that refractive index is indirectly proportional to speed of light. Now you can clearly see that the speed of light is refractive index is more in this diamond. So refractive index is more, that means it is indirectly proportional to the speed of light. Therefore, speed of light will be less. Here the speed will be less. Speed of light will be less. Okay. And in air the refractive index is very less. That refractive index is a common set. Therefore, the speed of light in the air will be more. Okay. So such type of question may be asked in the exam. So we can use this condition that optical density directly proportional to refractive index, and refractive index and optical density both are indirectly proportional to the speed of light. Okay. Then jar refractive index besi hobo, tar lighter speed to kom hobo, or jar refractive index kom hobo, tar lighter speed to besi hobo. Okay. So that's all for today. So next class we will cover the lens part and the power of a lens. Okay. Thank you.